how to cut your hip and butt pad as it height. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to do them step by step. So from the waistline I measure 1.5 inches. Then on my hip line I measured 5 inches. I don't want the hip part to come out too much, so I measured 5 inches. So at the length of the short I came up by 2.5 inches because I don't want the hip to be too bulky at the short length. So I drew my patterns, which I use my free hand to do that. Taking your hip pad measurement, you can go as low as 4.5 depending on how you want it, but I am working with 5, and which is okay for me. So the next thing I will do, this is the back pattern. From the waistline I will also mark the same thing, 1.5 inches. Half inch will be for the joining, then 1 inch is where your hip pad will be starting from. Then I came down by 8 inches, which is my hip line. So I measured my crouch length, then I measure my hip butt line. How to get your hip butt line? You place your tape at the back from your waist to the under bust. That's how to get your hip butt measurement. So then I labeled it. I labeled my crouch line and then my hip line and my butt line to enable me to know where to start my measurement from. Then the next thing I did was to take in my measurements, which I measured 7 from my hip line. This 7 is okay for any size anyway, depending on how big you want your hip butt to be. So for me, I am working with 7, and this 7 is okay. I prefer this 7. So after that I carve out my line. The initial line was not given, so I had to take in my hand more. So I placed my pattern paper on my fabric, then I cut it out. I added a half inch on all sides. So now this is my pattern paper. I cut it out. So the next thing, that's my foam. If you notice this foam, I cut out 2 because the foam is not up to 1 inch. So what I did was I doubled it and then I added my interface on it. So on my fabric at the back pattern, I came down by 1.5 inch from the side. That's from the waistline. So I placed my my foam on it side by side. So the next thing, I joined from the crouch line. That's the front. I joined from the crouch line. So I already joined all my pieces. So this is the finish. This is actually not the finished look. So now I'm taking my measurement. My waistline I divided by 2. So I'll measure. Then my hip line I will divide by 2. Then I'll impute my measurement. Then I'll follow that line which I mark out. So if you notice, that is my waistline measurement, which I divided by 2. Then my hip line I am dividing by 2, so I will impute the measurement on it. Then the next thing I will do is to curve all my lines out. So this is the finished look. So now I already added my band. Now if you notice, on the first video I posted, the band I added elastic, but this one here I did not add elastic because the material is not that stretchy. So I added zip because I wanted to use elastic, but it was not stretching, so I had to add my zip. So guys, we already finished the short, so please like, comment, and follow, please. And if you want me to show you how to cut out, how to mark your basic short, then just send me a message. All right, thank you, and bye bye.